Yung position paper ng GSIS noong December 20, 3 years ago, ang sinabi nyo, the national government has been delinquent in remitting the required premium contributions to the Barangay Officials Insurance Fund since 1995.
Yes.
So, ano ba katagal?
Yes, based on our records, Your Honor.
And that the national government has not settled the unpaid premium contributions despite due notice given by the GSIS. Totoo ba yun, ano? Sino makakasagot ito? DBM? And as of November 30th, 2022, total premium receivables from DBM amount to at least 1.2 billion pesos. Bakit hindi nyo binabayaran ng GSIS?
Good morning again, Mr. Chair. I will check po with our operations group. I think we are aware of that issue. I-double check ko lang po yung latest status on our end.
Since 1995, so that's 30 years ago. 30 years na kayo hindi nagbabayad. Ganun ba?
I think we have coordination po with GSIS, but we will update po ni committee on the latest status, Mr. Chair.
And the GSIS suspended payment of claims for benefits in November 2001 due to the fact that the Barangay Officials Insurance Fund no longer has the funds to pay out the claims and benefits to the concerned barangay officials. Tama ba? Is my information correct? GSIS, is my information correct?
Mr. Chair, we'll discuss this with BDM because to be fair, I think most of us here are still, I'm still the first year law student during 1995. So it might have, yun, baka talagang 1995 hindi na tumitigil ang pagbayad nito, even the funding from GAA. But I'm not sure if Congress has appropriated a separate funding na hindi dumadaan sa GSIS. That I think DBM can enlighten on us. Because in several hearings before sa House of Representatives, parang they mentioned about, I think Congress has also appropriated certain amount, not to the BOIF, but directly to barangay, I don't know, DILG.
Bakit hindi ini-earmark para sa BOIF yan? Kung talagang meron talagang pondo. Imagine 30 years since 1995, mayor pa ako noon. Nababayaan natin yung mga barangay officials at hindi natin nabibigyan ng sapat na pondo. Insurance coverage, wala. Samantalang nasa batas to. Were you remiss in your duty? DBM? Bakit hindi nyo binabayaran?